In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to PayPal. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, I've actually found this article about withdrawing funds. Now, as you can see, we've got a question here about how do I withdraw funds. It says you can request a withdrawal to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. So before you can actually withdraw funds from Prizepicks to PayPal, you want to make sure that that PayPal account has been used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. Now, to actually go ahead and request a withdrawal, what you need to do is navigate to the menu, which is located in the top left corner if you're using the Prizepicks app. If you're using a web browser, then the menu is going to be in the top right hand corner. Now, once you've done that, from there, you're going to see an option to select request withdrawal. What you want to do is give that a click, and then what's going to happen is you're going to receive a one-time password code, which will be sent by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. Now, no further action is needed on your part. We will send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. Now, there's just a couple of things that you want to bear in mind when you actually request a withdrawal on Prizepicks. And the first of those being that Prizepicks do have a one-times playthrough requirement, which basically means you need to play through all deposited funds once before withdrawing them. As an example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineouts before you can actually withdraw any funds or winnings. Now, lineouts must also be submitted using credit funds. You cannot use promo funds in order to count towards your playthrough requirement. Now, another reason that a request could fail is due to inaccurate information, so like inaccurate bank account information or PayPal information, in which case what's going to happen is your funds will be returned to your credit funds balance and you just will be able to go ahead and create a new withdrawal. Now, withdrawals can only be made, as previously mentioned, using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. At the time of recording, Apple Pay credit cards and Discover debit cards may only be used for deposits and not withdrawals. Also, just something to bear in mind is that withdrawals do have a minimum amount of $10, so if you do request for a smaller amount, the request is automatically going to fail. Finally, only one successful withdrawal is permitted during a 24-hour time frame, so if your withdrawal request is, for example, processed at 2 p.m, you will not be able to make another request until 2:01 p.m. the following day. So there are some further information on here as well about paying taxes on withdrawals and things like that. What I will do is either link to this article in the video description down below, but that is a quick overview on how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to PayPal. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.